The students sit in a circle with their legs crossed and a stone, stick or other object, in this case we have beanbags, in front of them on the floor. Keeping the beat, the students pass the beanbags to their left around the circle. So on beat 1 they pick up the beanbag, and on beat 2 they place it in front of the person on their left. Repeat for the whole song.
Ready, mau, 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 come and they go, come and they go, Columbus, Columbus.
A variation of this game is where students stay sitting in a circle with their legs crossed or up on their knees, as you can see here, with 2 objects in front of them on the floor. On beat 1, they pick the objects up, one in their left hand and one in their right. On beat 2, they cross their hands in front of them, placing the beanbag in their right hand in front of the person on their left, and the beanbag in their left hand in front of the person on their right. Repeat this for the whole song.
Ready, mau, 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 come and they go, come and they go, Columbus, Columbus.
Thanks for watching. If you liked that resource, there's plenty more like that in the DSMusic Music Teachers Digital Library. To make sure you don't miss any of these new videos when they drop, hit the subscribe button below and check out what else is on my channel. If you've got any suggestions for videos or resources, please get in touch.